everybody, theswiftscripter here, and I'm glad to see you've made it to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you all the necessary resources you may need to start your journey on game development. For those of you new here, I suggest watching my previous video on what this channel is about, what to expect going forward, but if you're here just to find the resources you'll need for game development, then I'll get started right away. The first software you'll need to download is a game engine, but if you are a complete beginner, I recommend using the Unity game engine, which is a simple and straightforward engine that anyone can learn. So follow along with this video to see how to install Unity, and I'll also introduce you to other softwares you'll need to download, but for now just sit tight and follow along. First, go to a browser of your choice. I personally use Google Chrome, and I'm pretty sure every other regular human being uses it as well. Then, search up Unity Hub Download. Please note that I'll send all the download links in the description if you get lost. Now I'll be downloading the Windows version of Unity, but if you have a Mac or whatever this third icon is, just click on that icon to download it, but as I said, I'll be going along with the Windows download. Now, launch the setup, and Windows is gonna ask if you want Unity to make changes. I didn't record that, but it should pop up on your screen. And you'll want to click yes. Press I agree to the terms and services, assuming you don't read all that crap, and simply wait for it to finish. Once it finishes, press finish, and it will automatically launch the Unity Hub for you. Now, it's gonna ask if you want to install the Unity editor, and you'll want to skip installation, because you won't be able to download other things along with it, like Visual Studio or certain build supports. And then press Install Editor at the top right. If you're not getting this option, click the Installs button in the sidebar if you're not already in it. Download the recommended version and make sure the Microsoft Visual Studio is checked. Now what you're seeing also checked inside this video is the Mac and Windows build support. And this is so that whoever plays your game can use either Mac or Windows. I highly recommend installing both of these if you plan to make a game that's on your laptop or Mac, but you can check whatever's applicable to your preference. Press continue, make sure you click the I have read the terms and conditions to check it, then press install. Now this will take some time to install, so in the meantime, we'll be installing Blender. Simply search up Blender download and click the top result. If you're not getting what's on my screen, just click the second link in the description. Now once again, Blender has different versions you can download, but I'll be installing the Windows version. Once it finishes downloading, run the setup, and just follow along with what I do in the video. It may show a Windows pop-up screen, click yes to that as well. All you have to do now is wait for it to finish installing. This will take some time, so I'll speed it up. The next resource you may need if you wish to collaborate with others in this project would be GitHub. And this is completely optional, but you may follow along if you like. If you wish to skip this part, I'll provide the timestamps in this video as well. Search GitHub Desktop Download and click the top link. Just like the other softwares, this has multiple versions, but I'll be installing the Windows version. Once it downloads, run the setup, and click yes if the Windows pop-up shows. You may need to make an account for GitHub if you haven't already, and you can do that by going to the GitHub website and signing up. But since I already signed up, I'll quickly log in here. Once you log in or sign up, you should have this screen showing up. The last application you won't need to download but will want to know about is PiskelApp, a 2D pixel art software that lets you draw. The website link is once again in the description, and you can draw just like I'm doing right here. I'll explain all of its features in another video, but just keep this software in mind. Moving on, this window should pop up asking you to install Visual Studio. So press continue. Simply wait for it to install now. Finally, scroll down to where it shows the Unity icon and make sure that is checked. This is really important if you want to use Visual Studio with Unity, and we are. Then simply press install. Once again, I'll speed this up for you. Press OK once it's done installing. And finally, as you can see, the Unity editor installation is complete. Thank you so much for keeping up with all this, if you did manage to keep up. Guys, I'm joking, chill. I knew you could keep up. Anyways, stay tuned for the next videos to learn how to use these softwares, and I'll catch you all next time. See ya.